We're going to look at a clip now that has a young actress talking about tackling racism.
I'm Jalisa. I'm an actor and a presenter from Port Talbot, and I run a dance school in the town. In primary school, there was around 4 people from a similar background to myself. In year 4, there was a group of year 6 boys who bullied me. They would shout things from across the yard, throw things at me and make comments about my skin and say that I was dirty. And that's when I felt for the first time that I was different to anybody else. There were a group of friends that I did have who did look out for me and try and protect me, and of course the teachers acted as quick as they could. But it was a horrible feeling, and I was only in year 4. I do think when children are racist, they've heard it from someone else or seen it somewhere else. I don't think children are born racist. They've learnt to be that way. I remember this one time I was out shopping with my mum. I was about 12, 13 years old looking for trainers, and we spotted another woman and her daughter looking at the same trainers. They'd spotted us, and she'd said to her daughter in Welsh with a face of disgust, "Oh, let's move over a little bit." The feeling in my stomach was horrible, and I felt so sick. My mum understood what she'd said and replied to her saying, "Oh, here's the size 5, love." And in that moment there, my mum turned to me and said, "And that, Jalisa, is how you deal with horrible people. You kill them with kindness, and you be as kind as you can be." I've not experienced racism face to face, but online and on social media, people are really quick to type out horrible comments without even thinking about what they're writing. Racism isn't acceptable. You shouldn't have to deal with it, and there is support available.
Some quite moving comments there, I think. What are your feelings about that?
I think for every black person and other people of colour, it's kind of like relatable. I also remember one time I was walking home from school and this boy called me the N-word, and I turned back and I was like, why? Why would you say that to me? You don't even know me. It hurt my confidence as a person. Like, why would I have to be treated this way because I am a black person?
I don't think there is enough education out there, especially for more older generations. With the younger generation still in school, there's a lot of focus on racism as well, to try and stamp it out, I guess. But in terms of older generations, they've not really maybe had that level of education.
Like Jalisa said, a child is not born racist. They're actually taught by their parents, by their society, by their friends, families, and people around them. So basically advocating, like telling, especially the older generation, it is not a good thing to be racist to people, and why your colour should not be a discrimination to how you should be treated.
So how do you think that racism or racist bullying affects a person?
I think it's really negative for their mental health. A person should not be seen as different or in a different light just because they are a different skin colour. It's been going on forever, and surely by now we should recognise it, and we should be doing more to put things in place to make sure that it doesn't happen, to make sure that we live in a world that people are seen as the same.
How do you think we should respond to it?
I think there needs to be serious consequences put into place, because it is clearly damaging to people of colour and different backgrounds. And obviously, without a serious consequence, a child isn't going to learn from their mistake.
Raising awareness should be a core thing. Celebrating people's diversity, celebrating other people's culture. So basically, celebrating those diversity is something we need to learn as a society.
I think we should raise more awareness of racism. We have lessons on it sometimes, but I think that it should become more of a monthly thing.
We need to create the awareness that racism is happening and it is a big problem, and work on ways to deal with that and to make sure that it's happening less and less.
How can we create a fairer society where racism has been eradicated?
You need to actually talk to yourself and be like, you know what, racism is actually a problem and we're going to tackle it by showing people that this is not the right way to actually, treat other people.
My advice to anybody facing racism, first of all, go and tell an adult, and if you need a little bit more support, take a friend with you as well. And secondly, if you do feel different, it will be the thing that helps you stand out and will become your superpower. If you hear or see something that you don't agree with, stand up or go and tell an adult and give support to the person who is dealing with that racism.